Ever wondered how to start your own car rental business? Today, we'll share the roadmap to your entrepreneurial success. Imagine this as your journey to financial independence, where you're in the driver's seat, steering your way towards a profitable venture. Let's break down this journey into 4 main pit stops. First, we'll talk about acquiring your fleet, the very heart of your business. Next, we'll navigate through the process of securing financing, a crucial step that fuels your business operations. Then, we'll delve into the legal aspects where we discuss the necessary permits and licenses you need to operate smoothly. And finally, we'll explore the world of marketing, the powerful tool that will drive your business into the limelight. This is not just about starting a business, it's about building an empire. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, stick around. With the right strategy and resources, anyone can start a car rental business. Ready to get started? The heart of any car rental business is its fleet. Let's delve into how to acquire vehicles for your business. There are several routes you can take, each with its own set of advantages. Leasing, for instance, is a great option if you're looking to keep up with the latest models without the hefty price tag. Buying used vehicles can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you're just starting out. Purchasing new cars, on the other hand, might be more expensive up front, but can provide a sense of reliability and prestige to your customers. Diversifying your fleet is also key. Having a range of vehicles to cater to different customer needs, from compact cars for city dwellers to SUVs for family vacations, will make your business more appealing to a wider audience. Remember, choosing the right vehicles is crucial to the success of your car rental business. Now that we've covered acquiring vehicles, let's talk about the elephant in the room: financing. Financing, ladies and gentlemen, is the lifeblood of your car rental business. Without it, even the best business plan can't get off the ground. So, where do you start? First, consider your personal savings. They're the most straightforward source of capital, but let's be realistic, not everyone has a fortune stashed away. That's where loans come in. Banks, credit unions, and online lenders can provide the funds you need, but they'll want to see a solid business plan first. Speaking of credit cards can be a viable option, especially for smaller purchases or short-term needs. But be careful, the interest rates can stack up, and don't forget about investors. They can provide significant capital, but they'll likely want a piece of your business in return. Remember, the key to securing any form of financing is a solid business plan. It's your roadmap to success. Securing adequate financing is the key to launching and maintaining your car rental business. With financing in place, it's time to navigate the legal landscape. This part is crucial because ignoring it may lead to severe penalties that can jeopardize your business. First, you need to obtain the necessary permits and licenses to operate a car rental business. These requirements might vary depending on your location, so it's wise to consult with a local attorney or your city's business licensing department. Next, make sure to comply with local regulations. These could involve zoning laws, safety standards, and vehicle inspections. Again, getting professional advice is recommended to ensure you're not missing anything. Lastly, don't forget about insurance. This is an absolute must to protect your business and its assets. You'll need liability insurance to cover potential damages or injuries caused by your rental cars. You might also consider a comprehensive coverage for theft or damage to your fleet. Remember, staying on the right side of the law is non-negotiable when it comes to running a car rental business. You've got your fleet, your financing, and your permits. Now, how do you get customers? Marketing your car rental business is the key to driving it forward. Start by establishing a strong online presence. Create a user-friendly website and make sure your business is listed on popular travel and car rental sites. Social media platforms are also powerful tools for reaching a wide audience, so utilize them effectively. Next, consider partnering with hotels and travel agencies. These partnerships can bring a steady stream of customers your way, as travelers often need rental cars. Lastly, never underestimate the power of excellent customer service. Happy customers are likely to recommend your services to others, creating a ripple effect of positive word-of-mouth advertising. Remember, even the most impressive fleet and perfect permits mean little without customers. Your marketing strategies are the engine that drives your business. Effective marketing is the engine that drives your car rental business forward. As we wrap up this guide on starting your own car rental business, it's essential to remember that the journey doesn't end here. It's a continuous process of evaluating your business, making adjustments, and seeking growth opportunities. Keep an eye on your competitors, stay updated with the latest trends in the industry, and most importantly, listen to your customers. Their feedback is invaluable in helping you improve your services. You may also consider expanding your business in the future, offering additional services, or even opening branches in new locations. Remember, the road to success is not always smooth, but with perseverance and the right strategies, you can drive your business forward. Thank you for being with us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Drive your dreams to reality with us.